Hey guys, what up? It's been a long time. I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is I'm going to California, which means more vlogs. Yay! The bad news is Neville's moving to Singapore, which means I won't be able to see him anymore. Hey guys, what up? For some reason I need to do this like papers for church, and I need to finish packing. There's like my backpack packing. And then I need to finish editing these videos. But thanks to Sean, he's editing it for me. No, no creeper face. No. Okay, never mind. Well, probably see you at the airport tomorrow or so. Or I might vlog again because Neville's gonna FaceTime me tonight, and that'll be the last time I'll see him until he gets a new iPod. So, peace. So apparently my airplane leaves at 6 a.m. So I was just wondering, for Sean's opinion, do you think I should do an all-nighter or not? Because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and you already know I'm not going to wake up.
All nighter. FaceTime with Neville. Stuff like that.
How about FaceTime with you? FaceTime with you.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Yep. You'll see me FaceTime with that kid right there. Or the one who used to have a snapback say, I'm that kid. So apparently, when Sean is editing the video, it's the Atlanta trip part 3. And remember when he's saying, what it's called, I'm a Soldier. It's like a Salvation Army song. And this is his reaction of me remixing it with my style. Here you go. I love Jesus. Okay. I love Jesus. Hallelujah. I love Jesus. Yes, I do. I love Jesus. He's my Savior. Jesus something. I'm a soldier. I'm a soldier. Well, marching forward, march forward in the army for my own. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm almost done with my it'll just say homework from church, but I won't be FaceTiming with Neville tonight because my charger, well, this old charger that I have doesn't work, and Sean left my charger at church. And actually, I don't know how I'm gonna charge it, and I'm like low on battery life. So let's just see. I might find a charger at the gift shop at the airport, but I don't know. Prayers, prayers. Hey guys, what up? I just got done with my church homework. Got done packing up, and I got a charger now. Yeah, that's what Triple says. You can't live the good life if you think negative. Always think positive, and positive things will happen. So, whatever you do, don't think positive. Don't say, my life is horrible. My parents hate me and all that. I used to be like that until my life been changed by the gospel and everything. So, all I have to say is just keep your heads up and just try to think positive. But I'm just going to like edit the videos that Sean didn't get to finish editing for now. So yeah, it's about 10:50 p.m. So yeah, all nighter. Let's go. Let's do this challenge. Woo 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 woo. Hey guys, what up? I have to keep it down a little bit because it's like 12 a.m. But I'm finally done editing. You see right there, vlog number 8, ATL trip Neville edition, 3 of 3. And there you go, private to public and save. Now part 3 is public. Yay! I'm missing Neville. Shout out. Hey guys, what up? I just woke up and yes, I failed the all-nighter challenge. I know I can make it though, because I thought I wouldn't wake up on 5, but I just did. So, probably gonna get dressed and take a shower and eat, so, peace. Hey guys, what up? I'm done. My family's out there. It's about 5:54, and I'm kind of tired, but I'm kind of not. I'm excited. My backpack's kind of heavy, but let's just see how it goes. 6-hour flight or 7-hour flight. Let's do this. Hey guys, what up? We're at the airport right now, and we're about to go to California and get on the plane and everything. There's my parents over there and my sister on my right, but she doesn't want to be seen, so yeah. Let's see how it goes. 6-7 hour flight. It's a beautiful morning though. Escalator. There's the entrance. No. More anti-sun. So right now we're in the airport, and I think we're going to get our tickets or something, I don't know. We're just figuring stuff out right now, but you see the gift shop right there. I need to get my charger. So we're apparently in a line where we put our stuff, and to get to the airport, we'll get to the airplane. So my sister was just talking about me about putting her money in my wallet, so it's actually a long line. I'm just gonna wait. So apparently me and my dad got out that machine where it checks you and everything. And there's the airplane. And my dad so my mom and my sister's all the way over there. And we're heading over there. That's a long plane. Yeah, I don't have to walk. Well, we're heading to the plane right now. Huh? Mom. Camera. Yeah, that's my mom. Love you, Mom. Thank you for caring for me. So, we're gonna head to the stop where we wait for the airplane. And okay, sorry, my mom was taking a picture of us. So, yeah, we're gonna head to the waiting spot. What do you call it, Mom?
San Diego.
No, the spot where we wait for the airplane.
Oh, gate 2. Gate number 2.
The gate to the airplane. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see you there. Peace. We're going to the plane. Whoa. It's very claustrophobic in here. Yeah. We're going to the airplane. Hey guys, what up? Yeah, just got up in the airplane. Look at that. They have a little TV for us outside. Probably gonna film when we get up in the air and show you the sky. So yeah. God bless that guy right there. This is awesome. Wow, it's like my 3rd or 4th time going to California. I have family over there, so that's why we're visiting. Peace. Hey guys, while me and my sister was talking, we found out there was a channel in volume, and there was a earphone jack, and we found there was a TV. So we're like, what? Then later on, we found MTV. So yeah, I'm watching Ridiculous right now, and my sister too. So, and I think my mom is watching Food Channel, right? Alright. And yeah, we still haven't left off yet, but we have MTV, so nice. Yo, what up? We got an airplane, we got drinks. If you see, there's like the wind and there's the clouds. It's like Minecraft. Yeah. First we're stopping at Denver, then we're gonna go to San Diego where my family's at. So yeah. Hey guys, we just arrived at the Denver? Yeah, Denver airport, and it looks just like a mall. You see, there's food court, everything. There's the stores, many floors. Yeah. Bunch of food. I feel hungry right now. I think I'm gonna eat something. Look at this. Alright, we're at the waiting area and we're about to get to San Diego. We're about 2 hours or so. Right there's the San Diego. Yeah, in 2 hours. Hey guys, we just landed in San Diego. Yeah.
Bye. See you later. Bye. Watch your stuff going off.
Bye, babe.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There you go. Can't wait to see my family. Hey guys, what up? This is my little cousin, Brian.
Hi.
We're gonna be chilling today.
Yeah. Bait hunting.
Bay hunting. A lot of bay hunting. Beyblade Geeks, BBG. What do you have to say about that, Brian?
I think we should wait hunting for new Beyblades.
Yeah. So right now we're at San Diego. This is my dad. Say hello.
Hello.
And here's my uncle. Hello. And we're heading home.
What about us?
Oh, Ashley doesn't want to be seen, so I'm just gonna say, Mom. And little B. Right there. Little B right there. Yeah. Just gonna chill for a little bit.
แม่นไอ้ใช้พิษบ่เนี่ย
Yeah.
ขึ้นหยัง
Done.
โอ้ยอันนั้นล่าชิบพวกไปพุ่นตีไปรัดพุ่นตีอ๋อตะกี้เป็นเครื่องมือบ่มือนึงบ่
Hey guys, what up? I'm back. We're at like the house. Beautiful view. And here's my cousin, Angel. And she's gonna teach me how to ride a skateboard. Okay. I got this. Oh.